back with a bang. New Yorkers celebrated the end of COVID restrictions with a spectacular fireworks display that lit up Lady Liberty. A huge crowd of maskless revelers gathered to watch the big show. Just look at all those happy faces. There were joyous celebrations in Los Angeles also. At one packed nightclub, they counted down, New Year's Eve style, to the end of masks and social distancing.
Even Dr. Fauci was out last night partying it up.
The late-night comics joined in the revelry.
No lockdowns anymore.
Ariana Grande and James Corden opened his show with an end-of-lockdown sing-along.
No lockdowns.